Hello everyone, today I am going to go grocery shopping with my mom at MD Oriental in Brandon, and then afterwards we are going to take a little browsing walk at IKEA. We were thinking about getting some furniture. Over here is a little scan of the vegetable area at MD Oriental. It's a Chinese grocery market in Brandon. Looking at my mom. Cheese! They sell roasted duck here, and this is the price of the duck. And they also have a hot foods area. You could pick up food to go and also buy like entrees. And now we're off to IKEA. Alright, now I'm looking for a parking spot. Looks like there's some here on the right side. Now walking into the entrance. Walking around, looking around, seeing how cool every room is and how they decorated. Then I saw this mirror and I was like, pose, peace. And I can't go to IKEA without getting these cute tiny pencils. Like, who doesn't? And oops, did I take it home with me? And also the cute measurement tape paper. Those are cute. Look at these kitchen. So beautiful. They're like dream kitchens. All so pretty. This was like my favorite setup for the kitchen. So amazing. My mom loves it too. She thinks it's so cute. I was like, it'd be so perfect for my mom. She loves this. It's so cute. I would love to cook and bake here. So pretty. Now over here there's a lot of white drawers, which is what we were actually looking for. So we did end up getting this drawer over here. It's like I think it's called like four drawer chest. And then over here we went downstairs and looked at little things like the dishes and other miscellaneous items around the house. I'm following my mom, and then I looked over and I saw those cute lights. Oh right, look at this plate. Wow, for $24.99. Yeah, I'll pass for sure. Another mirror, selfie time. Okay, now this is the upstairs, the food court area. And now these are the menu, and we ate already, so we're gonna skip that and go downstairs. And look at these lamps. I should get one next time. That's cool. These lights over here are also pretty cool. Very bright. Okay, now we are at the warehouse, which is close to the exit. Now I'm going to search for our items, and this is the 2 boxes that I need. And we got some hot dog and cinnamon as our snack, and we are heading back home now. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you watched to the end, thank you. Please give us a like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.